This week, your assignments will be due on February 24th. This is week 5. And your assignments for this week include Module 4. When you go to Modules, you will see that I have moved Module 4 to the top. It's right underneath your online orientation module. And this week we will be discussing cellular metabolism. You have your regular notes, lecture materials, and tutorials. I suggest you go into this area and you see the PowerPoint here. You see a printable PowerPoint, and you see these amazing detailed lecture outline. These are your notes. If I were you, I would certainly download the PowerPoints. I would download the notes and print them out if at all possible, for both to benefit you both in this class and in future classes. You have 2 videos here that explain quite a few things for the chapter. You have some other things here to use as ancillary materials. But for this chapter, I have recorded my lecture with the PowerPoints. So here is Dr. Rouse lecture chapter 4. And I'm explaining to you to pay very close attention to the items in red and listen to everything. Try to use it to help you understand the notes, help you understand the material. It is broken down into 2 individual parts, each of those being 15 minutes. After that, then you see here the other things that are due this week, so that will help you understand the chapter. And as always, you have your Chapter 4 lecture assignment. Then you have your Chapter 4 lecture quiz. So again, I believe listening to my lecture is going to help you with these items. If you listen to them, please let me know. If they don't help, that's no problem. I won't do them. But if they do help, I will be happy to make the lectures for you. Next, you'll have Lab 5 to do. You'll have Lab 5 homework and Lab 5 quiz, okay? So be sure to get those things completed by February 24th. That is Sunday at 11:59. So start on it early in the week, because something always happens last minute, and you don't want that to happen to keep you from being able to submit your assignments. Have a great week. If you need any help, please do not hesitate to send me an email and ask. Thank you.